Okay, so here's this foam cutter. Currently is not powered, and this tip will get hot. Now it's not doing anything. Okay, so let's power it on. Plug that in. It has no LEDs, you can't see if it's on or not. But let's see how fast will it melt. It is already entering. Yep, it's already cutting it. Yep, it cut it. Okay, after a while it will smoke, it will stink, the plastic is melting and it's getting hotter and hotter. It's making a noise also. Listen that noise. It's cutting it quickly. If you move it too many times inside this polystyrene, then it cools down a little bit. That's very thin. And it's hot even at the base, so it's cutting there also. Not just at the tip. Don't forget to unplug it. It's smoking